everyone, this is my comparing and contrast pre-test and post-test result of the linguistic landscape study of the 5 love languages. This is my study. A linguistic landscape study examines the use of languages in public spaces to understand cultural and social dynamics. This study assesses dynamics. This study assesses the student knowledge of the 5 love languages through pre-test and post-test. The purpose of conducting the pre-test and post-test is to measure students' initial understanding of the 5 love languages. In the track of their progress, their knowledge, interpretation, and analytical skills regarding the linguistic landscape. And the goal is to analyze how a student understanding, interpretation, and analyzing skills improve after engaging with the study material. And the comparison of pre-test and post-test results reveal significant change in students' comprehension of the 5 love languages, demonstrating increased average and analytical abilities. Kay para sa post-test ay sa pre-test is wa pa sila kayo knowledge ani sa among ipa-pre-test kay wa pa sila kayo nakabalo. O sa post-test pod is maron mabalaan na mo og asa kutob ang ilang knowledge sa 5 love languages. Maong naiuban nga ang score is ni ubos, napoy uban nga score is ni taas. So ato murag daghan-daghan po ang nakasabot sa 5 love languages. So mo to dito may nagbase sa post-test. Kay sa pre-test is wapas na kayo knowledge sa amo question. So sa post-test murag mga to sa 5 love languages. So mga to ang among nakuan among na survey sa questionnaire namo. So dito na ako to guys. Bye bye.